Hi guys, Affectionate speaking. I'm back with another video, guys. Okay, guys. Today we're going to be analyzing US30. I mean, it's right in the midnight, guys. If you can check, it's 8 minutes past 1. In the AM South African time. So if you can check, guys, what's gonna happen? We are on a daily time frame, and we're gonna keep the chart as simple as we need to keep it, because if we try to complicate the chart, guys, you're gonna end up getting the wrong direction. So what's gonna happen is that we're gonna keep it simple. Basically, the first thing, guys, that we're going to be doing, guys, in most cases, let me tell you, I hear we need to know a lot of things in terms of analyzing the market. You must know like a lot of stuff just for confluence, or confirmations. But one thing that I'm gonna say to you is that you don't really need to know a lot of stuff. Number one, you just need to be able to tell, where the trend is going. That's number one. Number two, you need to be able to, know where your key levels are. You need to know your reversal patterns. You need to be able to tell what is the market structure, of that pair, at that moment. So now, what's happening is that we're going to identify the high, around this market, right? So this is our high. This is the highest point of the market. You know what I mean, guys? And this is the low right here. Right, guys? It's very important, guys, to actually draw all this lower this lows and highs, because you are able to tell exactly, how the market is moving. It's more like checking out the structure of the market, right? So we can see that this is our highest point, you know what I mean? And at this high, guys, we're having this nice double top formation right here. I mean, sometimes it's not that clear, but you can really see what is happening right here. This is a what? This is the left shoulder. This is the what? This is the right shoulder. So we're having this nice double top formation right here. And every shoulder, it has a what? It has a double top formation. There's a double top formation right here on the second shoulder. There's a what? There's a double top formation. So you're gonna have to go to smaller time frame in order for you to be able to see this. So now we're having this nice double top right here, and we can see that we actually broke out of this neckline. This is our neckline, right? So now we can see that we actually broke out, and then we retested to the what? To the neckline. So now what's going to happen is that we're going to draw, a horizontal ray, or you can actually draw your rectangles for your zones around that area. We can actually use the rectangle for the zones, guys, right? So now what's going to happen is that this area right here, this is a very strong level. Why am I saying that? Because now the market broke, down this area, and then it kind of created another double top formation right here before this massive drop right here. And it's a key level because now you can see that from here, guys, it dropped crazy. You understand what I mean? So you're going to, look at this area right here, and it will definitely tell you that, you know what, this is a very strong level of the market. You understand what I mean? And again, when we're coming to this level right here, we're having something like a what? We're having something like a W formation, or I can say a double bottom formation, just like that. You understand what I mean, guys? I want to show you something. We're having this nice W formation, and from here, what happened? It went all the way up. I mean, this was supposed to be our what? This was supposed to be our retest to the neckline right here, but unfortunately, guys, this is um a level whereby the market, since now it's a neckline, right, we're going to actually draw a zone around here, and you can see that this was more or less like a resistance at the time whereby the market was here, right? So the market tried by all means to do what? To respect this area and try to drop, right? And unfortunately, the bulls were too strong. It actually broke above this area and it went all the way up without retesting. So basically, we need to go all the way up just like that and come back to retest around this area right here, and then continue to go all the way up if ever we're going to be looking for buying opportunities. You understand what I mean, guys? So now what's going to happen is that you're going to also identify that level right there, because it's a very strong level, as you can see. So from this area right here, we're going to draw our zone right there. So I'm just gonna try to be, precise or accurate as much as I can, because the accuracy, guys, it's the most important one. I mean, you have to try by all means to be accurate when it comes to the market, because now you don't want to be, you don't want to, do things whereby it's gonna like put you in danger, you know what I mean? And the danger is you losing your money, you know what I mean? So you can see that we're going to be expecting, for the market to come and do what? Do a young retest around this area right here. And again, if you can check, guys, the market has been moving on a what? The market has been moving on a downtrend. I mean, we can see that this impulse move that actually took place from here to here, we can see that the market has been going all the way up, but you can see that the market, guys, in overall is bearish, right? So we're going to actually identify that bearish trend that we had right there, and we're going to draw our trend line just like that. So basically, guys, we can say that we actually broke out of this trend line right here. For those people who trade the breakout and retest, you can see that we actually need to come back and retest, because now we're having a nice touch around. I mean, we're having three touches right here, guys. We're having the first touch, which is this top right here, and then this is the second touch, and this is the third touch. You understand? And we actually broke out of this trend, on the third touch. And now what's going to be expected from here is that we're going to be expecting the market to actually come to this area to retest, and then continue to go all the way up. So now, also, as much as we're looking for all this formation of retest, guys, we need to also put in consideration that the market can also break above, because now you can see that the market right here acted as if it's going to do what? It's going to respect this level and drop. You understand? Unfortunately, because the bullish power was very strong, what happened to the market? It actually broke above. So we must just be careful that it doesn't become the same situation that actually took place, because now if you can also check, guys, the market actually, guys, repeat patterns, guys. Like, the market repeats patterns at all times. I want to show you something right here, guys. If you can check at this level right here, you can see that this is also a what? This is a double it's also a what? It's also a double top formation, and you can see that the market came and respected this area, And what happened after that? It went all the way down, because the retest we have actually, completed the retest, which is this big sell that took off like that. You understand? And this acted as if it's going to actually sell, but this completed this big movement right here. I mean, from here, guys, we can actually draw our nice channel right here going all the way down. And if you can check, guys, this is a what? Is a channel. You understand? It's a downwards channel. So this, because we actually bearish, these are what? These are lower highs, these are lower lows. You understand what I mean? So now we actually broke above this moving this trend line right here. So we need to do what? We need to come back, retest, and continue to go all the way up. But we need to be careful around this area that it doesn't break while we actually in with the sales. So we're going to be waiting for structure, for proper market structure to create around this area. So we're going to go to smaller time frames. Since we are on a what? We are on a daily time frame. We're going to go to a 4-hour chart, so we can be able to see exactly what is happening on this market right here. So we can really see already on a 4-hour chart, guys, that the market is actually creating something like a what? Like a double top right here. I mean, you can see that, guys, the market repeats itself, guys. Whatever that you get on a bigger time frame, you're going to get on a smaller time frame. If you can check, this is a nice W formation that we have. And what's going to happen is that you're going to actually wait for a breakout, retest, and then a continuation just like that. So now, in most cases, when we're having this kind of impulse, guys, I'm going to use the Fibonacci level. So, or not Fibonacci level, I mean the retracement, right? So now what's going to happen is that this is where this is the law that I'm going to use in order for me to use my Fibonacci. Because now this was the last low that actually took off from this area. I mean, it was actually trying to go back all the way down, but from here, what happened? The market went crazy and continued to go all the way up. So we're going to start our Fibonacci retracement just like that up until the highest point. And what's happening is that we can actually expect the chart to actually come to the 61.8 or the 50% level. You understand what I mean, guys? So I'm going to be looking for selling opportunities, guys. I mean, last week it was a crazy week whereby it was CPI and we moved crazy all the way up just like that. And guys, it's very, very easy and simple, for us to, simplify the chart from a bigger time frame and understand exactly what is happening from a bigger time frame, because from that standpoint, that's where you're going to be able to see the chart, that what this market is trying to create this and that. You understand what I mean? So now this is what is happening currently, and I'm gonna wait for the market to actually give me confirmations, guys, and that's when I'm actually gonna like jump in the selling trades and then kill this market. You understand what I mean? So we can see that the market right now actually opened around this area, which is the intraday area, this dotted lines that you see. So for you to be able to see that level that is very strong, also we're gonna go to a smaller time frame. Now we're gonna go to a 1 hour, right? So I want to show you something, guys. I want to show you something that going to smaller time frames, guys, this is how you scale down to smaller time frames. Just checking these opportunities, checking trading opportunities on the market, right? So this zone right here is very strong, so you just have to be aware of this piece right here. You have to be aware of this piece right here, because now this can be a what? This can be a W formation. You understand what I mean? But again, we're having this nice breakout retest right here. So this is the neckline, because now this looks like a what? This looks like a formation of a double top formation. So if you can check, we're having this nice upwards trend right there, and we're gonna just draw a nice channel going all the way up. You can see, so it's a breakout retest, and it can be a continuation, but again it looks like a W. So maybe what can happen is that it can actually be some kind of a what, some kind of a continuation, because now if you can check, guys, you can see that the market, what's going to happen right now is that the market is actually having this nice bullish trend right here. So this can be a flag, guys. You understand what I mean? That's why, guys, I don't like to predict the market. I like to, to come to the market and get opportunities and kill the market. I want to react to what the market is actually doing. So since the market just opened right now, I'm just going to be a little bit patient and to see what the market is going to create, throughout the night and throughout the day of today. You understand what I mean, guys? So now we're going to check certain areas, guys, in the market before we actually taking our trades. You understand what I mean? Because now, in order for us to look for sales, guys, in order for us to look for sales, we need to make sure that the price actually break around this area. The market needs to break here, guys. The market needs to break this neckline right here. The market needs to break this neckline right here. Then that's when we can actually start looking, start like to look for what, for selling opportunities. So currently, because now we can see that we on a what, on a 1 hour, we actually bullish. And again, if you can check, guys, this looks like a what, this looks like a flag right here. This can be this big impulse, and this can be a flag, and it can be a continuation to the upside. So what can happen is that the market can actually create a W formation from here, and then continue to go and break above this area right here. So now what's going to happen is that we're going to be patient, guys. We're going to be patient and see exactly what the market is doing on a bigger time frame, guys. If ever this thing breaks above this, going all the way up, it's going to look like a week. It's going to look like a what? It's going to look like a rejection candle right there. You understand what I mean, guys? So we just have to be patient and see exactly what the market is doing. But it's never a good thing, guys, to look for sells on a buying market. We're gonna have to always look for buys on a buying market. If the market is selling, that's when we actually gonna be looking for what, for sales. You know what I mean? So currently we're just gonna wait, guys, and see exactly what the market is going to be doing. But from how I actually saw this from a bigger time frame, guys, personally I'm going to be looking for sales, guys. Personally, I'm going to be looking for sales, and up until the opportunities come, I'm not gonna trade the US30 market. You understand what I mean? So you can see that also this looks like a what? This looks like a double top formation, and this is the neckline. And now this neckline is a what? Breakout retest. You understand what I mean, guys? Guys, the market repeat itself at all times. At all times. So we need to avoid this thing of predicting the market, of what the market is actually like trying to create, and just wait to see what the market is doing. You understand what I mean, guys? So it's still on a Monday, and let's see throughout the week how the market is going to turn out. And hopefully, guys, everything is going to go in our favor, the way we want it to go, and or the way we're expecting, the market to go. And yeah, guys, let's make sure that we kill this market, guys. And guys, we must look for selling opportunities, guys. We need to be looking for selling opportunities. You understand what I mean? That's one thing that you must know. We need to be looking for what? For selling opportunities. So basically, you'll just have to wait for a breakout out here and a continuation. You understand what I mean, guys? So you're just gonna draw your small support and resistance on smaller time frames, just so you can actually understand exactly what is happening, guys. Support and resistance, guys, is a way to go. You understand what I mean? Support and resistance is a way to go. So you can see on the left hand side that the market actually created a nice W formation, and then boom, a bullish market. So we'll have to actually wait for the market to get here and see what's going to happen to this area right here. Because if now the market gets to this area right here and then create a W, then we're going to definitely buy with the market. You understand what I mean? So now we're just gonna be patient with the market and wait to get this reaction of the market. You understand what I mean, guys? So guys, make sure that you like and share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, because now it will definitely mean a lot to get like support from you guys, as much as I'm actually doing all this thing for you guys. You understand what I mean? So let's just make sure that we check out the market, and I hope that my videos are actually gonna be helping a lot of you guys. And yeah, guys, let's kill the market, guys. Let's kill the market, guys. I hate smaller time frames, guys, because smaller time frames, they will confuse you like crazy. So you'd rather stick to bigger time frames. You know what I mean? So yes, guys, let's make sure that like we kill this market and we make money, guys. Let's be profitable. So peace out, guys, and I hope that you're going to be killing this, guys. I'm out.